Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing and first impressions of the new device from Poco in India, the Poco X3. So after a really good or rather successful run with the Poco X2, the company has launched the successor, the Poco X3. The Poco X3 made a global debut a couple of months back, and this is the Poco X3 NFC. Now we have the Poco X3 launching in India. So we have the device with us. We'll do a quick unboxing and we'll show you some features of the device. So this is a reviews box. Actually this is not the retail box, so we have the retail box as well. So this is how the retail box will look like. Poco X3 Reality Flow 120Hz refresh rate and made in India device, and you can see the back of the box mentions the hardware aspects. Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G octa-core processor, 6000 mAh capacity battery, flagship 64 megapixel quad camera, 120Hz refresh rate and dual stereo speakers, 10 watt wired reverse charging and Z-Shock haptics, UFS 2.1 and LPDDR4X RAM, 2x2 MIMO Wi-Fi, side mounted fingerprint scanner, dual multi with voice over Wi-Fi support, and everything is mentioned here. And this is the retail box. So we have the 6GB RAM and 128GB internal storage, and this comes the one which we have is the cobalt blue variant. So another gray variant is also included in the colors. So that's the Poco X3. It's the first device in India with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G octa-core processor. So it's slightly better than the 720G and the 730G. So even in CPU as well as GPU, it's better than these two processors. And we have the 33 watt charging on this device. So this is the box package. So nothing is there in the box except for a case. So we'll just show you the case as well. So this is the case which comes with the box package, and you also get a SIM ejector pin included. So let's go to the unboxing. So this is the box package we have. So let's just take this out. So this is not a retail box, so this is just the reviewers box. So you will get the box which we just showed you. So let's take this out and we'll show you the device as well. So this is the Poco X3. So you can see here the camera layout. It looks pretty neat and kind of different when compared to the typical pattern you see. You can see the rounded area, and they have the projection for this KD allowed. And if you want the SAR value, you can see that 0.615 is the head SAR, I mean body SAR, and 0.747 is the head SAR. And let's just peel off these stickers. And you can see that the Poco branding here, it looks really nice, the cobalt blue, and there's also pattern included here. Now hardware aspects, so we have the power and volume keys included. The power key also doubles up as the fingerprint scanner, and we have the SIM ejector pin. It's not a dedicated slot, it's a hybrid slot. And on top we have the IR blaster, and at the bottom we have the USB Type-C port and the 3.5mm audio jack and the speaker unit here. The front panel has a 20 megapixel selfie camera also included. Now next let's see what all comes inside the box package. So there you go. You get this charger, I mean the cable, it's a 33 watt charging supporting cable. You can see that this was the same which we got with the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. Now we have the 33 watt charger as well. So this is the 33 watt charger, 11 volt 3 ampere 33 watt charging is included. That's the charger. So we'll be doing the charging test separately, so stay tuned for that. Now next let's boot the device and show you the interface and what are the features it offers. So now we booted the device, and you can see the beautiful full HD resolution display with IPS LCD panel and 120Hz refresh rate. You can see the smoothness here. Now you can, if you go to the settings, you can see the display refresh rate you can set as 120Hz or 60Hz. Those are the two options. There is also dark mode and all the options. Generally you see this device has the MIUI 12, and we have the Android 10 out of the box, 128GB storage, and you get the Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G octa-core processor, and you get all the features generally you see on the MIUI. And this device does not feature any ads, so that's something which is quite good. Now you can also see there are pre-installed apps which you can uninstall. You can see there are lots of games bundled which you can actually pre-install, but there are no ads on this device. Now looking at the display, you can see that the display quality is definitely good. It may not be as good as the AMOLED panel, but it has 120Hz refresh rate, and viewing angles are really good. The colors are also really vibrant. They also get a punch hole display here. Now talking about the camera, we have a 64 megapixel primary sensor, a 13 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, 2 megapixel depth and 2 megapixel macro sensor. Now 64 megapixel sensor is a Sony IMX682 sensor. It's a slight downgrade from the Poco X2. We had a 686 sensor. The only difference is that 4K at 60 fps is not supported on the IMX682 sensor. Now you also get a 20 megapixel selfie camera. So here are some camera samples we have taken. Now we'll be doing the detailed camera review, so stay tuned for that. Now this device has a 6000 mAh capacity battery, and because of that you get a slightly thicker device, and it also comes with 33 watt of fast charging, and we'll be doing a charging test separately, so stay tuned for that. Now this battery should be able to last you really well because it has a large capacity battery and 6000 mAh with a full HD resolution display, and the Snapdragon 732G should be able to give you really good battery life. So that is the unboxing and first impressions of the Poco X3 along with some camera samples. We will be coming up with the detailed videos soon, so stay tuned for that, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified of all the videos on the Poco X3. So thanks for watching, have a great day.